No change in the wheat market. As you know, in the wheat market, we had 5 waves up. We're looking for a 3 wave decline. Friday's sell-off actually fulfilled the minimum requirements of the 3 wave decline. Now, having said that, it is important to note that typically whenever you have a 5 wave rally and for wave one and your subsequent 3 wave decline for wave two, well, the most common Fibonacci retracement for wave two is actually a 618 retracement of wave one. So we did fall short of that number, but we came very, very close to the 50% retracement here. Nonetheless, I'm going to take it. 5 up, 3 down. I like the upside. I will be looking for further rally again for the remainder of the month of November and well into the month of December. Now, a few things I am kind of keeping an eye on here. I do like what I see longer term cyclically as far as, again, arguing that we do indeed have a significant low in place in the wheat market. And what's going to be interesting this week is how we resolve the week as far as higher prices, but specifically the value of the current RS, the stochastic here on the bottom. Because as you can see here, you really can't see too much price-wise because of the moving averages on top of price. But the stochastic percent K specifically, that number right there, actually crossed below the 50 line. This would have been back in, say, March. And that basically tells me that as long as percent K is under 50, the trend is down. Simply put, you need to be looking lower. Well, we're getting very, very close to actually flipping back above the 50 line in the stochastic. So that's going to tell me the trend is up. Now, once that actually does indeed occur, then the next thing we watch for is longevity or duration. We certainly don't want to see a, say, just a short duration period where stochastic is just, maybe say 4, 5, 6, 8 weeks above 50. We want to see something definitely more sustainable because, again, that would indicate that from a momentum perspective, i.e. utilizing stochastic, that the trend is indeed turning to the upside. So I think that will actually flip by the end of the week, and I'm going to be curious to see if we can indeed pull that off. But what I'm currently looking at price-wise, in addition to some of the other indicators and oscillators that I monitor, I like the upside as we trade into the remainder of the week and actually into the end of the month.